Hello guys, this video is sponsored by Pioneer Powersports. Today we have a CXR 250cc. It's a sports bike, recently got in at the store. It's a 2019 model. This is a more upgraded version of the SXR that we had before. So you can look at this. This is the actual sports bike. You can look at the front disc brake. It has two disc brakes on the front. You can see the headlights. This one has really have an aggressive look. See the blinkers, it's all LEDs. The mirrors are upgraded on here. This is how the dash looks like. It's your key right there. You see a digital dash and the analog. Got both in there. That's your kill switch. Your hazard. Your electric start button right there. On the other side, there's a head high and low beam, your passing light, your blinkers, your horn and stuff on the front. This is a pretty clean blue color and it comes in black, orange, red, whatever colors you guys want to get. We do have all the colors on stock right now, so you can come anytime at the store and get this bike, or you can give us a call at 682-999-9493 and order your colors already. This one is a manual transmission. You can see a stick right here. It's 1 down, 4 up, like a regular bike. Your motor is right there. It's a 4-stroke GY6. You don't have to mix them with anything, just a straight regular gas. The gas mileage has been pretty good on this bike. And this is for a rider, and you can have a passenger. You can see the foot peg for them. Also, you can see the seat for the passenger. And you can see the muffler on this. They have upgraded muffler on it. Yeah, overall, in this bike, we already sold couples of these, and we have a really good review on this one. This is where you do your oil change from. Your dipstick right here, and if you look right beneath this, over there, you see a drain plug where you drain oil from. This is where you check your oil at. That's your dipstick. If you want to see where your carburetor is at, this is your carburetor, your motor, your spark plug right here. That's going to be your spark plug. Yeah, you can see the handlebar. It's like two-tone black and orange on this. So all the other colors, it comes different colors. And yeah, if you have any questions on this, you can give us a call. You can come anytime at the store. We're located in Grand Prairie, 2470 West Pioneer Parkway, Grand Prairie, Texas. You can give us a call at 682-999-9493. Yeah, come test drive yours today. And you can come down to the store, test drive. If you want to finance it, we do financing. If you want to just put it on layaway, come later to pick it up, you can do that too. But other than that, if you have any questions, just let us know. Yeah, this is a full-size 250cc, like I said. You can go and get on a freeway with it. The top speed, I would say about 75-80. That's what it's gonna do. It's more likely, I wouldn't recommend to getting on a freeway on a long drive, but getting in and out, it's pretty easy on these. Yeah, just let us know how you like the video, and let me show you guys how to test, how does it run and stuff. I can have somebody test it out. Give me 1 second and let me have somebody test it out and show you how does it run. Pretty smooth, and it takes up pretty good too. Yeah, it's a brand new bike, so whenever you guys get the brand new bike, there's a braking period. You're not supposed to go from certain speed. On this one, we recommend you to go about like 40, a little slower for your first couple of weeks or so. Get your braking period, do your first oil change as soon as possible. And once you do your first oil change, brake it in. And then you can do your second oil change, and you can go up to a full speed. You can see the muffler on this. Has a really better sound compared to the last model they had. Yeah, that's a video for a CXR 250. We're located in Grand Prairie. Our website is pioneerpowersports.com. Go check out our website and give us a call if you guys have any questions or anything. And other than that, just let us know how you like the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you for now. Thank you.